Good morning for a special edition of Mr. Jeffrey's class. This is Mr. Jeffrey's Algebra with Finance. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, at the bell. Alright, so we're going over, because for some odd reason we can't have projects as an exam, and this is a project-based class. This is what we have. Alright, so we go to the concession stand. We have $15. Well, let's see. We could actually see how many times we can divide 15 by 2.5. So 15. Now, this is something that a lot of my ninth graders hadn't picked up on, that I actually model how to use the calculator. And I'm recording this, and this will go on YouTube, and you can look at it later. But yet, you know, they need cranial rectomotomies. All right, so we can get 6. That's all you have to write. You don't have to write 6 Cokes. You don't dogs, anything. Just 6. Okay? Is this interesting that y'all are like cracking up? That
I was right, she was wrong.
okay. All right. So toilet paper, you know, because it's yard rolling season. Okay. And let's see. So we would actually divide 30 by 8.5. Yep. So 30 divided by 8.5. All right. So we get this decimal, 3.52, blah, 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 blah. All right. We can't buy half of, you know, these rolls of toilet paper. So it's just 3. This is what was funny. This math was what was killing half of the class yesterday. And I was like, what the French toast? All right. So, number 3. Number 3 is super difficult. Okay. Y'all better put on a helmet. I'm about to blow your mind. So, 25 divided by 5. We get 5. Okay, you don't have to put 5 buckets. You don't have to do anything else. Just 5. All right, now. So, whoop. So 50 divided by 12. Yeah, 4 something another. I know that, 4.6. Okay, now we can't get this much of a book. Don't ask, well, what if it's a pamphlet? Don't change the problem. Okay, we can only buy 4 books. We're going to have change left over, just like some of y'all just ordered a canteen. You pay with a bigger bill. You got change coming back. Ta-da. All right. Are we good with 3 and 4? I need to use that on my head later.
When we do this, all we have to do is divide.
Yup.
Just 1.
Yup. It's not, we're not doing rocket surgery, because here's the thing. Most of our things that we used, we were on the internet using the online loan calculators and stuff like that. Well, we're not going to replicate that, because every time I try to use Schoology or online thing for an exam, everybody's using it. It crashes, you know. So, just, all right. Now, super difficult. But you may, escribe por favor en sus papeles ahora. You may want to write this down. Okay. All right. So, this is how you do all these problems. You multiply this cost by 0.2. And it says round to the nearest hundredth. Okay. Well, let's see. Clear. See. 285,000 times 0.2. Yep, 57,000. Now, that is a typical thing. All right, now, everybody's going to ask, do I have to answer it like you do? Yes. There's a reason I'm showing you how to answer it. Okay? And please don't do that weird thing where y'all put the dollar sign in the back for some unknown reason. Bruh. My cousin's 4-year-old hit me with a bruh the other day at our Christmas gathering, and I was like, are you kidding me? Yup. All right, so this is 30,000. Now, some people actually do save up all this money, and then some people, there's ways that you can actually put it into your home loan. Okay. Three, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. Whoops. All right, so 6, 5, 0, 0, 0. 4, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3 times 0.2. All right. Now, that's the equation. So on your orange, and the orange sheets are out, so if y'all want to go ahead and start making your orange sheet, I would put like numbers 5 through 8, cost times 0.2 in calculator. Because a lot of people still haven't figured out, when you're taking notes in a class, you're writing a note to your future self. Just don't copy down exactly what I'm doing. You're actually writing something like, hey, do this time. Don't forget to do this. I've been doing this orange sheet thing for a long time, and people have messed it up so bad it's like a soup sandwich, and I don't understand how that's possible. Okay. Cost times tax plus cost. Okay, that's actually what it is. Now, number 10, I probably had a typo or something like that. Maybe I was in a hurry. I don't know. I've had to crank out so many exams and stuff and everything in the past 48 hours, my brain hurts. And then I have to hear kids with their brain rot crap. All right, so this is 2890.5. Now, here's the thing. This is 5%. That is 0.05, not times 5. 0.05 plus 2890.5. Do. Clear. Parenthesis. 289 0.5 times 0.05. All right, so look what's on the calculator up here, and then look what I have written down. It's almost exactly what you should put in the calculator. Oh. Plus 2890.5. All right, so we get 35. So this is 35.025. All right, so round to the nearest cent. Now, so we got to look to the third decimal place. This is 5 or higher, so this is 35.03. Now, I need to change this because it should say how much is the total bill including the tip. But this was actually 10 would actually be 75.32 times 0.2. All right. All right, so this was 15.064. This is less, so okay. Anybody lost so far? Okay, are you sure? Because we had some people that were like not only on the struggle bus, we could come in. Hang on one second. Let me pause my yeah, this one didn't say what was the final cost. So this should, remember, we're just answering it. I already said I've got to fix this. So I do like that I can pause this on Screencastify. I couldn't. I just had to keep rolling. It made me mad. All right. Bloop. Now. So this one, like some people at the school, is a little bit extra. So we're going to have to find this first. So 3 times 18 plus 2 times 3.99 plus 45. So this is how we get our total cost. Okay, like you're going to Martin's and you know they got you just racking up. Two times 3.99 plus 45. All right, so we get 106.98. That's our total cost. So that is when we would say 106.98 times, all right, 85. So this is 0.085 plus 1. Can't remember if 8.5% sales tax is Florence or not. Someplace it's like 5% sales tax. I forget what that is. I should remember because things should be cheaper. Alright, so we get 116 point, oh crap, couldn't remember. 073. Alright, so this total cost 07. Alright, Kyle bought a kayak. Good for Kyle. Okay. Ah. 0825 plus 3.75. Do. 1, 2, 3 threes times 0.0825 plus 1, 2, 3 threes. $361.284. All right, so this 361.28. All right. So that's covered the sales tax stuff. So we really only have one section, okay? One section that's 4 problems done. So, you know. And then, all right. So I included the on the handout. I did include y'all's this formula, right? Okay, good. That means it's going to be on there for the thing, so y'all don't even have to have it on your orange sheet. Now, this is what I think people had messed up on the last project where y'all were supposed to make these problems. It's the monthly house payment. People were actually doing the total house cost. Okay, that's like even in the directions it had this, and it said monthly house payment, but people, total house cost. Potato, potato. All right, you can actually put this in the calculator all at once. There's an N over D button. That stands for numerator over denominator. 9, 4. Oh, biscuits. 940 100. Scroll down 30. All right, so 33.333. All right, so it doesn't matter if it's repeating. Okay, the directions say round the nearest hundredth. So there we go. This one, 1870 times 100 over 30. I don't know why I put parentheses over that, but that's okay. 1870. Whoop, that's a 1. Bam. All right. So 62, 33.33. 62. 33.33. All right. And we only lack 2 more, and we'll be done. Yay! So 885. Bleh. 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 3250 and 30. So 1083333. Yeah, I was wondering why that was a $10,000 monthly payment. Well, it's a $3.2 million house. All right, and that's how you set these up and do it. All right, don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.